Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Sari. I am a drummer and a drum educator from Finland. And in today's lesson we will be learning this really powerful, efficient exercise for improving your four-way coordination on the drum kit. So the basis of this exercise is that we will be playing single strokes with our hands, and we will also be playing accented notes and ghost notes. In each measure I will be moving that accented note from the first one to the second, to the third and to the fourth note. And while we do this with our hands, we will be playing this pattern with our feet. The first thing you need to do is to just try and find a balance between accented notes and ghost notes. It is a good idea to just play them with your hands without the feet when you start. And once you've become comfortable with that, you can add the feet. The next step will be adding 2 accented notes. So if you have those 4 16th notes, you will be adding the first 2. And in the next measure you will be moving those 2 and so on. And again, just take it really slow. 60 beats per minute is a good starting point. And then you can also speed it up as you get comfortable in the slower tempos. Okay, so once you got that down, you can also start implementing this pattern around the drum kit. And for the purpose of this lesson, I will be showing you this one method where I will be playing those accented notes on toms. So right hand will be on the floor tom and left hand will be on the rack tom. So this already makes the exercise a lot more difficult because you have to make sure you know where to move. And also when you move to the next measure and you move the pattern forward, you kind of have to know where your hands are. So make sure you go through these things really slowly at first, especially the places where you move to the next measure and you have to change the places for the accented notes. So there you have it. And if you find this exercise really difficult, you could make this a little bit more simple. Just change the foot pattern into a more simple one, like right, left, left. Works just fine as well if you're new to this kind of stuff. If you found this video helpful, you can hit that like button, and also please subscribe if you feel like you would like to learn more drums with me on this channel. And I hope that I will see you in the next lesson.